To access Automated Audiometry, the test type needs to be added to your pure tone measurement screen. To do so, simply select Tools from the toolbar at the top of your screen followed by Test Definitions. Select Pure Tone in the right panel of the Test Definitions window. To add the assessment, open the Add drop-down menu and select Automated Audiometry. This will open the Test Definition Editor window where default settings can be adjusted. Within this window, a name for the assessment can be added. Signal type, transducer, presentation level, step size, and default ear side can be adjusted here as well. Within the Frequencies tab, frequencies can be added or removed, and their order of presentation can be adjusted. Curve colors and symbols can be changed in the Curve Styles tab. Automation settings like threshold determination and step size for ascending and descending presentations can be adjusted in the Auto Test tab.